We must have gills hidden under keloid skin because sometimes we are too tired from forging rivers, navigating tides, and crossing gulfs. I convince myself I can breathe underwater. How else have we emerged from Gulf Loop currents and new Sargasso seas? Trattors, Yukiti Ipshok, root workers, Banfasa and Aliki speak in Creole Mobilian currents to grandmother's loss, tossed and surfaced on Gulf shoals and riverbanks. Yamaya, she wat oket, Melusine, Ha'ashi and Mami wata lick tears, water women, swallowing salted prayer drops. Give us salinity to float in the betweens. Surrender to floodwaters. We could not be drowned, so they sought to bind us landlocked. But these songs dredge up memories like water pouring from spaces between soil and root, flood-dry plains lifting to carry me through the hurricane. Speaking in polyvocal tongues, center of eye calm makes way for calamity. We know how to swim, holding our breath across generations. You see, we do have gills. It's where we keep our stories. It's how we float. Ishakal Akonstosh, Spirit River. Spirit drop hits soil, earth, crack. Shatter zone, fracture flux, here or there. Quantum superpositions, past percolates forward. Futurity slips back. Slipstream circle shaking souls stretch. Tethers sing songs like anchor. Netted in melodic melody, we learn again to be human. Spirit made flesh. Trace shattered demarcations, maps back home across 3 continents made one. In this flesh. Remember, nous atoshkijin rapport, we hokshi akush. We are all relatives.